What's your name?
My name is Manuel. I do online training with Starting Strength, Houston. I've been training around 6 months. My training's been going pretty well. I've made a lot of progress, and I think I'm almost unrecognizable from when I look at pictures from when I started. When I started this program, I was around 121 pounds. Right now, I weighed on Friday and I was 177.5. The increase I've had, I think, is pretty remarkable when you think about it, because it's around 56 pounds. When I started out, my squat was around 135 pounds. Now it's 250 pounds for 2 sets of 3. When I started out with my press, it was 57 pounds, and I've gone all the way up to 105 pounds for 6 singles. My deadlift started out at 160, and now it's at 275 for one set of 5. And my bench started out at 75 pounds, and it's now at 147.5. When I started out, I was pretty lanky, pretty skinny, and I thought I was destined to be skinny, but thankfully, thanks to Starting Strength, I'm not like that anymore. I started out at a 32-inch chest, and now I'm at 38 inches. My waist started out at 28 inches, and now I'm at 36. And my hips started out at 30, and now I'm at 43. I've been trying to gain weight for a long time, but I didn't really follow the program because I wasn't eating nearly as much as I needed to. Progress starting to come in, and to come in fast once I started to do the famous GOMAD, which is a gallon of milk a day. That doubled my calorie intake, and like I said, that's when I really started making progress. Starting out with 1 gallon of milk was a little bit difficult, and I had a little bit of a nausea problem. So I talked to my trainer, and he kindly let me reduce it all the way to 0.75, 3/4 of a gallon, and I supplemented the rest with peanut butter because it's a little bit less dense and allows me to feel more comfortable. Some of the challenges I faced throughout my training was that as anything that is worthwhile, it was difficult to complete all the workouts and have to push as much weight as I did and try to push my limits. It was kind of difficult to do that, the training itself, but also the amount of food that I was eating. I'm used to eating small quantities of food, so eating as much as I did and with the milk, it proved to be a challenge. When you're starting out with a rigorous program or anything that takes a lot of effort, you just have to tell yourself, just do it. You may come across challenges, or actually you will come across challenges, and they're going to be difficult and you might want to quit. But the thing that you need to remember is that everybody gets tested at one point, and in order to achieve your goals, you're going to have to do whatever it takes to achieve them. So don't worry about challenges that may come up, just do what you need to do.